When it comes to upgrading your home in Miami Beach, one of the most impactful improvements you can make is replacing your windows. Whether you're looking to increase energy efficiency, improve your home's curb appeal, or simply upgrade outdated windows, proper installation is key to ensuring that you get the most out of your investment. While DIY window installation may seem like an option, choosing professional installers for your Miami Beach window replacement comes with a host of benefits that are well worth the cost. Here's why hiring professionals is the best choice for your window replacement project in Miami Beach. Expertise and experience. One of the most significant advantages of hiring professional installers for your window replacement is the expertise and experience they bring to the table. Installing windows correctly requires more than just placing them into the frame. It involves precise measurements, proper sealing techniques, and an understanding of how windows interact with your home's structure, especially in coastal areas like Miami Beach, where the weather can be unpredictable. Professional window installers have the training and experience to ensure that the windows are correctly fitted, sealed, and aligned. This level of expertise prevents issues such as leaks, drafts, or improper insulation that could occur if the windows are not installed correctly. With their experience, professional installers also know how to handle any potential challenges that might arise during installation, ensuring a smooth, efficient process. Proper measurements and fitting proper measurements are critical when it comes to window replacement. If windows are too large or too small for their frames, they won't function properly, leading to issues like air leaks, poor insulation, and water intrusion. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make when attempting DIY window replacement is measuring incorrectly, which can lead to costly mistakes and potential damage to the property. Professional installers have the tools and expertise to take accurate measurements and ensure that your new windows fit perfectly in their frames. This helps to maximize the window's performance and aesthetics. A proper fit also ensures that the window operates smoothly, making it easy to open, close, and lock. This attention to detail contributes to the overall effectiveness of your window replacement. Enhanced energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is one of the main reasons homeowners opt for window replacement, especially in a climate like Miami Beach, where temperatures fluctuate throughout the year. Installing energy-efficient windows can significantly reduce your heating and cooling costs by preventing drafts, heat loss, and air infiltration. However, the effectiveness of these windows depends largely on proper installation. Professional window installers ensure that the energy-efficient windows are sealed and installed according to the manufacturer's guidelines. This prevents any gaps or leaks that could reduce the window's insulation properties. When windows are properly installed, they work as intended, keeping your home more comfortable and reducing your energy consumption. This not only saves you money on utility bills but also makes your home more environmentally friendly. Improved security and durability. Miami Beach is a popular area with high traffic, and security is always a concern for homeowners. Outdated windows can pose a security risk, as they may be easier to break or manipulate. Professional installers can replace these older windows with newer, more secure options that come with advanced locking mechanisms and impact-resistant glass. Furthermore, the high humidity and salty air in Miami Beach can cause wear and tear on windows over time. Professional installers can recommend and install windows made from materials that are resistant to corrosion and weather damage. This ensures that your windows will stand up to the elements and continue to perform for years to come, offering both security and long-term durability. Increased curb appeal. The windows of your home play a large role in its overall curb appeal. Old, worn-out windows can detract from the appearance of your property, making it look outdated or neglected. By opting for professional window replacement, you can upgrade your home's exterior, making it look fresher, more modern, and inviting. Professional installers can help you select the best style and material for your home's design, whether you're aiming for a sleek, contemporary look or a more traditional feel. They can also ensure that the windows are properly aligned and installed, creating a clean, polished look that enhances the beauty of your property. This upgrade will not only improve your home's curb appeal but also increase its resale value if you ever decide to sell. Time and cost saving. While it may seem tempting to try to save money by installing windows yourself, this can often end up costing more in the long run. DIY window installation can be time-consuming and may result in mistakes that lead to expensive repairs. Additionally, many homeowners don't have access to the tools and equipment required for a professional-grade installation, which can further increase the time and effort needed. By hiring professional window installers, you can save time and avoid the potential costs associated with improper installation. Professionals complete the job efficiently, ensuring that your windows are installed correctly the first time. With their expertise, they can also recommend cost-effective window options that provide the best value for your investment. Warranty protection. Many window manufacturers offer warranties on their products, but these warranties may be voided if the windows aren't installed correctly. Professional window installers are familiar with manufacturer guidelines and can ensure that your windows are installed in a way that preserves the warranty. This gives you added peace of mind knowing that your windows are covered in case of defects or issues down the road. Final thoughts. When it comes to window replacement in Miami Beach, hiring professional installers is the best way to ensure that your windows are properly installed and perform at their best. From expert measurements and proper fitting to enhanced energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal, professional window installation offers numerous benefits that make it a wise investment. By trusting experienced professionals to handle your window replacement project, you can enjoy a more comfortable, secure, and visually appealing home for years to come. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Choose professional installers for your Miami Beach window replacement and experience the difference.